How to update Windows 10 or 11 drivers. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll provide a detailed instruction on how to update your drivers in Windows 10 or 11. If you find this guide helpful, we kindly ask that you consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's begin. Firstly, it is essential to ensure that you have the most up-to-date version of your Windows. To do so, simply click on the Start button located at the bottom left of your taskbar, then proceed to click on the Settings. If you are unable to locate it, you can simply search for it on the left-hand side. And now select Update and Security option over here. Click on Windows Update. Make sure you are in the interface of Windows Update and now press Check for Updates. In order to ensure that you have the latest version of Windows 10 or 11, whatever you are using. If not, proceed to update it. Now close this window and now update your device drivers. Simply click on the search button at the bottom and type in Device Manager, or simply right click on the Windows icon and go to Device Manager. This will display all the devices on your computer. In my case, I need to update my Bluetooth drivers, so I'll locate Bluetooth. Expand it by clicking on the arrow and find the device you want to update. Right click on it and select Update Driver. You can then choose to manually search or perform an automatic search, which I will do. It will proceed to install the drivers if there are any available updates. In my case, there was an update, so I'll go for the installation. If there are no updates, it will indicate that the latest update is already installed. And if you need to update your graphic card drivers, you can open your graphics card drivers and then click on the drivers in the top left. You can then check for the available updates. This is how you can update your Windows 10 or 11 drivers. If you found this guide helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.